Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to dive deep into the mesmerizing world of Vanessa Hudgens and her stunning hairstyles, haircuts, and colors. And today, we're embarking on a journey through the evolution of Vanessa's hair. So, grab your popcorn and let's get started. From Disney starlet to Hollywood sensation, Vanessa Hudgens has captivated us not only with her acting skills but also with her ever-changing and jaw-dropping hair transformations. In this segment, we're taking a stroll down memory lane, exploring Vanessa's hairstyles throughout her career. From those signature flowing waves during her high school musical days to the sleek bobs and pixie cuts that showcased her edgier side, we're celebrating the versatility that defines Vanessa's hair journey. Get ready for bold haircuts and edgy choices, where we'll be delving into those moments when Vanessa took the plunge and embraced daring haircuts that left us all in awe. Whether it's a fierce chop or a daring asymmetrical style, Vanessa proves that haircuts are a canvas for self-expression. In The Art of Color, we're exploring Vanessa's ever-changing color palette. From radiant brunettes to sun-kissed blondes, and even the occasional flirtation with vibrant hues, Vanessa's hair colors are a testament to her creativity and fearlessness. Lights, camera, glamour. Join us as we step onto the red carpet in Red Carpet Glamour. Vanessa's hair takes center stage alongside her show-stopping outfits. We'll be reliving some of her most memorable red carpet looks that left everyone spellbound.